Gaming Guy 88 here with another video, and I know I haven't uploaded it in like a month or so, but I really wanted to get in this unboxing before the end of June because I got this controller earlier in the month and I really want to open it, but I also wanted to film it. So yeah, let's get to it. This is the Starfield controller for Xbox Series X, S, Xbox One, Windows, Android, and iOS. Limited edition wireless controller that does come with two AA batteries. Features a USB-C port. And of course more information there about Windows 10 and 11 and Bluetooth and all that stuff. And there's the address to Microsoft, just in case you want to send them a letter. But anyway, more of a look at the box. And that just says what I just read on the side. And let's take a look at the back real quick. This shows more information about the controller as well. The front and the back of it, as well as the clear triggers, which I believe this is the first time a controller has had them. But we will take a look at it right now. Okay. I'm trying to lift the cover, and here we go. Oh, that's cool. It has the I'm trying to see if that's like a sticker or something. But yeah, it's just an insert. For all into the Starfield. Yeah, these are just inserts. But yeah, that's really cool. And right here is the controller, and where it's sitting at also has more just designs and stuff. And as we can see here, got the gray thumbsticks, got the shiny D-pad, got the red, orange, yellow, and blue logo on top where the Xbox button is. And there's plenty of designs like around the action buttons and just all over the controller. Now let's actually take it out of the box because this is an unboxing after all. And there are the two AA Duracell batteries. And here are the clear triggers on top, which look really cool. There we go, it's in focus. They look really cool. And I just pressed down the right bumper just then. But yeah, as you can see that there's textures on the right bumper, the left bumper, and even on the clear triggers. And of course the Xbox logo right there where you put in the batteries. And there's a USB-C port and the pairing button. There we go. I had to think of it for a second, where you pair the controller with the system. I got this from Amazon, and they shipped it really fast, which, like, shortly after I got mine, they were still available on Amazon, but the wait was like 2 to 4 weeks or so. But mine, I got mine in just like a couple days, I believe, when it came out back when Xbox and Bethesda had their Starfield Direct. which was awesome, by the way. And I'm definitely looking forward to playing the game when it launches September 6th on Xbox and PC, but I'm going to be playing it through Xbox Game Pass. So, yeah, that is about it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking with the channel. And until next time, you all take care.